Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark a completed task on ClickUp. This is an essential feature for staying organized and keeping track of your progress, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to clickup.com and log into your account. Open your browser, type in the URL, and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your workspace information is displayed. This is your central hub for managing everything within ClickUp. On your panel, look for the option labeled Spaces and click on it. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially containers for organizing your projects and workflows. When you click on Spaces, you'll see a list of all the spaces you have access to. Go ahead and click on the specific space you want to work in to open it up. This will take you directly into that space where you can see all the lists, folders, and tasks associated with it. Now that you're inside your chosen space, it's time to select the specific task you want to mark as completed. Browse through your tasks and click on the one you finished working on. When you click on the task, a builder tool will appear on the right side or as a pop-up window depending on your view settings. This builder tool is where you can edit all the details related to that particular task, including its status, assignees, due dates, and more. Once the builder tool is visible, simply click on Status. The status field shows the current state of your task, whether it's to do, in progress, or complete. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with different status options. From this menu, click Complete. This action marks your task as finished and updates it across your entire workspace. Your team members will be able to see that you've completed this task, which helps everyone stay aligned on project progress. And that's it. You've successfully marked your task as completed on ClickUp. This simple process helps you maintain clarity in your workflow and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.